So guys, malapit na tayo. Within 9 minutes we will be here in the Black Lake of Fribourg. So tingnan niyo yung view dito in front of us is the biggest mountain also. And it's beautiful. See the houses here is very beautiful.
We just go here again or further away?
Further away, Michelle.
It will be
I remember here.
Remember here.
Yes, and now we are here now in the Black Lake, and this is the famous Black Lake of Switzerland. So guys, ito yung view ng ng Fribourg Black Lake. Dito yan sa Switzerland, dito sa Fribourg. So good morning and good afternoon everyone. I'm here in the Black Lake of Fribourg. We are here in Fribourg, Switzerland. And we are going to walk in the riverside and in the lakeside of the Black Lake. This is the view of the Black Lake here, and that's the Black Lake. They call this Black Lake because when it's frozen it is color black. We are going here. That's the mountain of the Black Lake. Let's go guys. Go and we will discover the place. Here, a beautiful fountain. And this is the restaurant. Made up of stone. And then here's the Black Lake. There's a lot of people going to swim in the lake. Ito siya guys, ang tinatawag nilang Black Lake. So guys, andito na tayo sa Black Lake, the famous Black Lake of Fribourg, Switzerland. Meron tayong nakita ang duck dito. Ayan, mayroong boat doon. Dito tayo nagpicture last time. Doon sa may tail na yun, yung may tail na yung na parang mermaid yun. Pero nagpunta tayo dito last time nung winter. Ayan, madaming tao. So, we were here last winter. And this is the Black Lake.
That was winter?
Ang daming taong naliligo dito sa lake. Ito yung tinatawag nilang Black Lake, guys. Very sunny. Ayan, tapos dun may parang tail ng mermaid. Dito tayo last time.
And then you want to take the siège and then we walk? Or
Okay, we can go. Guys, we will do the picture taking there. I'll be in the middle of that one. Ayan. I'm filming all the background of the Black Lake here. This is the Black Lake. It's beautiful when it's winter because it's frozen. The lake is frozen. It's closed because it's no more people. Supposedly we go there, but it's closed now.
We'll do the lake walk.
Okay,
closed.
let's go.
Because you see, 5:30. I think that's
Okay.
it now.
Okay, guys, let's go. We will just walk in the lakeside. A lot of people is there. So ayan guys, we will just walk around the lake. And here's the view here. It's beautiful. We went here 3 years ago.
Well, at least, yeah. If
Yeah.
not,
Yeah, it's beautiful here. Why do they call this one Black Lake even though it's not black?
a little bit.
It's black when you...
A little
Okay.
bit. Seems a little black. Because it's dark.
So guys,
Oh,
they
from
call
sun
this
and
one Black Lake because it's black. That's their the name came from, because the color of the lake is black. Oh, they're also... So guys, we're still filming here and we can sit down there.
Ouais, si tu veux.
Ouais.
Si la dame, elle prend pas le long. Comme...
It's a perfect view here.
Ben oui, mais touche pas un peu là.
Yes, it's perfect view here.
Et tu peux aller nager tes pieds, hein, regarde.
Right. Will not get bad. I will climb here.
No, you don't climb. It's not made for climbing.
Take the picture.
Wait, I need to change the...
No, you can do like this. So guys, we'll just film here and then we have to rest a little bit and walk again. And I will film you the whole lake. That's the lake. Black Lake of Ribu. This lake, they call this Black Lake because the water is color black. The name arrived from the lake and because of it, they call this Black Lake. And it's very beautiful view here. Especially there, the mountain, you can see it there. So guys, I'll film again. So there, the view here is beautiful. The mountain plus the lake. You can do the swimming here, it's free. And you can also do the kayak like that guy's doing. Although it's sunny, but it's very refreshing. The water is very refreshing. It's not cold and it's not warm. It's just nice temperature. There you go. We have already filmed all the view of the lake, of the Black Lake. And then we go now. Ah, he's taking a picture of his dog.
Si tu veux, tu peux prendre une photo de ton chien aussi.
So beautiful, guys. So we continue walking around the lake.
Non, c'est nouveau ça.
No, it's not interesting to go there. So just we go walking here is okay. I can park anywhere I want. So the view here is beautiful. Beautiful, the mountain. Against the light, guys.
Chérie, tous ceux qui te connaissent, ils savent que ça n'existe pas avec Efren.
Ito yung kabuuan ng Black Lake, guys. From here, going there. That's the Black Lake. From there, going here. The end of this mountain. Here. So, ayun. Ito yung buong lake ng Black Lake dito sa Freebo. Nice mountain.
The bus is going there also. Tu veux t'asseoir sur le banc?
Chérie.
C'est bon. C'est bon.
Ah oui, oui. Ah mais moi c'est exactement ça que j'ai en tête.
J'ai trouvé une nouvelle copine. J'étais plus trop de tatouage. Tu aimes bien.
Chérie, take a picture here in the bench. A lot of goat, no, not goat, a cow.
Nein, aber da gleich.
Very cute. sound is beautiful. You can see the bell of the cows making a sound. So we continue walking. It's a beautiful place to visit here. The mountain, the lake, it's very beautiful. What do you call this mountain?
Je ne sais pas, c'est les Préalpes.
Préalpes.
This one gets a name also, and then you have to go and watch l'Atlas.
It's very beautiful.